After cleaning, we add the aquasoil substrate, creating contours. We begin by carefully layering the substrate, then meticulously securing the moss with tweezers as the water slowly fills the environment.
Moss Carpet Aquarium. This style creates a lush green carpet of aquatic moss that covers the entire foreground, like a miniature underwater forest floor. This narration explains the basics, the necessary materials, and the installation method for beginners. No timeline is given, just a clear step-by-step explanation. The basics. Unlike classic carpet plants such as Monte Carlo or dwarf hairgrass, moss has no roots. That means it does not need high light, a CO2 system, or deep aquasoil. A moss carpet thrives in low light and requires almost no extra equipment. The only thing it asks for is patience. Moss grows slowly but steadily, attaching to any surface it touches. Necessary materials. You need 4 main items. First, a suitable moss species. For beginners, the best choices are Java moss, Christmas moss, or weeping moss. All are used in the same way. Second, 2 pieces of plastic or stainless steel mesh. These should be cut to fit exactly on the bottom of your aquarium. Third, fishing line or cotton thread to tie the 2 mesh layers together. Fourth, a thin layer of gravel or sand, just enough to weigh the mesh down, about half a centimeter thick. Optionally, you can put a very thin layer of aquasoil under the mesh. This is not necessary because moss has no roots, but it can help with water chemistry. Installation steps. The installation has 6 steps. Step 1. Prepare the moss. Rinse the moss in room temperature water and remove any dead parts. Then take a handful and roughly chop it with scissors into pieces about half a centimeter long. Chopping encourages more growing points. Step 2. Make the mesh sandwich. Lay the first piece of mesh on a flat surface. Spread the chopped moss evenly over it. Be generous, don't leave bare spots. Place the second piece of mesh on top. Now you have a moss sandwich. Step 3. Tie it together. Use fishing line or cotton thread to sew around the edges of the mesh sandwich. You can also cross-stitch across the middle to keep the moss from bulging. The result should be a flat, firm green wafer. Step 4. Place the carpet in the aquarium. Put the moss sandwich into the empty tank. Make sure it covers the entire bottom glass from edge to edge. Step 5. Weigh it down. Sprinkle the thin sand or gravel over the mesh, just enough to hold it in place, about half a centimeter. The green moss will still be visible through the mesh openings. Step 6. Fill with water. Place a bowl or a plastic bag on top of the carpet. Pour water gently onto that surface, not directly onto the moss. As the water level rises, the moss will settle. Trapped air bubbles will escape through the mesh. What to expect? After the setup, the moss may look dark and messy for the first few days. That is normal. After about 2 weeks, you will see small bright green tips pushing through the mesh. After 4 weeks, the dark patches shrink. After 2 months, you will have a smooth, dense green carpet. This method is ideal for beginners. It does not require high light or CO2. All you need is patience and the right materials. Build a moss carpet aquarium once and watch it grow.